Good afternoon, good evening. I'm Chris Jones, and frankly, I shall remain that forever. Here's why. Initially, the boy was hesitant, like how would I last and stay irrelevant? Thinking after I go, will they remember Chris? Niggas joining a while to block my only membership. My auntie trying to sell her food stamps. We got caught up in the rain, not a food stamp. My uncle wildin' every night, he with a new tramp. Niggas doing bids, I hit the store to get a few stamps. Bitches all seem to act funny. That's until you ride by with that rack money. Double back to let her know it's all fact money. Hit the gas on the player road for that act money. I show love in the city of hate. Still reppin', tell the world my city is great. I spit truth and only hope that my city relates. But if not, fuck it, guarantee you the city will shake. At the hands of a titan, plans to plumage in the game like a Viking. A mean lean like that Jolly Rancher Sprite mix. Prayers for my niggas fighting federal indictments. You gotta know that I'm Chris forever. Frito-Lay, we all stacking our chips together. Young teens, we was packing them bricks together. Velveeta craft, we just trying to get to the cheddar. Money over family, money over bitches. It's crazy how a nigga sell his soul for them riches. Pop a tool, leave a nigga cold in them ditches just to floss hard, hoping all these haters feel offended. What kind of value or morals is that? Nigga, you might as well fold and go merge with them rats. Screaming you trap but falling victim to Lucifer's trap. So if you had a million, tell me what would you do with this rap? Now these niggas need lifelines. Sweet as my lady on a Sunday watching Lifetime. I been had it, just was waiting for the right time. Right grind, right lines, hoping that I might shine. I'm talking Vegas around 10 o'clock. I'm talking Times Square before the ball drop. I think it's time to show them that we all hot. Y'all not honor roll gang taking all slots. Being humble ain't respected now. Tell these fuckboys I'm shooting through protection now. Lord knows the game need a resurrection now. The presidential bastard, yeah, I'm elected now. And forever I'm Chris. Ride out. Fuck it, wavy.